kalmomi masu haruffa bakwai tare da misalai a jimlace. Welcome to Phenomenal Success Academy, the place where people come to get guided. Receive, karɓar abu. I received the money. I received the money. Na samu kuɗin. Weather, yanayin gari. The weather is good. The weather is good. Yanayin garin akwai daɗi. 100, ɗari. I have 500 camels. I have 500 camels. Ina da raƙuma 500. Husband, her husband traveled. Her husband traveled. Mijinta ya yi tafiya. Brother, ɗan uwa. He is my elder brother. He is my elder brother. Shi yayana ne. Parents, mahaifi ko mahaifiya. My parents are around. My parents are around. Mahaifana suna nan. Matches, ashana. Here are the matches. Here are the matches. Ga ashanar. Journey, tafiya ko balaguro. We journeyed through the jungle. We journeyed through the jungle. Mun yi tafiya a dajin. Problem, matsala. No problem, ba matsala. Bicycle, keke. I can ride a bicycle. I can ride a bicycle. Na iya tuƙa keke. Senator. I am a senator. I am a senator. Ni senator ne. Wedding, ɗaurin aure. When's the wedding? When is the wedding? Yaushe ne ɗaurin auren? Success, nasara. I wish you success. I wish you success. Ina maka fatan alheri. Picture, hoto. Is this your picture? Is this your picture? Shin wannan hotonka ne? Culture, al'ada. Respect your culture. Respect your culture. Ka girmama al'adarka. Grammar, nahawu ko ƙa'idojin yare. Let's learn grammar. Mu yi karatu akan nahawu ko mu koyi nahawu. Founder, wanda ya assasa abu ko ya kafa wani abu. I am the founder. I am the founder of Phenomenal Success Academy. Ni na kafa makarantar Phenomenal Success Academy. Unhappy, baƙin ciki. They are unhappy. Suna baƙin ciki. Promise, alƙawari. I promise to do it. Na yi alƙawari zan yi. Holiday, hutu. We are on holiday. Muna hutu. Listeners, that's all for now. Masu sauraro abin da ya samu kenan. Don't forget to send your questions. Kar a manta a turo da tambayoyi. Love you. Bye for now.